welcome to Willard Public Library's virtual Crafternoon. On this January episode, we're going to be making air-dry clay coasters. As always, craft kits for this project are available at the Adult Services desk at Willard Public Library while supplies last. Each craft kit contains two 1-ounce packages of Crayola Model Magic air-dry clay, a small container of ModPodge, a paintbrush, a plastic knife, and an acrylic roller. You'll also receive a house and heart template on cardstock. You will also want to gather up a piece of parchment for rolling out your clay, a small cup of water, a pair of scissors, and a paper plate or a flat surface to set your finished coaster on to dry. The very first thing you're going to want to do is to cut out your house and heart templates. Next, lay out your piece of parchment and then combine your two packages of air-dry clay into one ball. Put the ball in between the parchment and press with the palm of your hand. Next, use your acrylic roller to flatten out the clay even more, trying to make the surface as even as possible. Keep in mind that you don't want to make your clay too thin because it will crack more easily. You want it to be at least 1/4 of an inch thick. Use your house template as a guide for the surface area that you need. When you're ready, lay your paper house template onto the clay and then use your plastic knife to cut off the excess. Your coaster probably will not look perfect at this point, but don't worry. Trust the process and we're going to smooth things out. Next, lay your heart template somewhere in the middle of the coaster and use your knife to cut around it. At this point, you're going to start using your fingers to smooth out the clay. You can also take your plastic knife and use it along the edges to straighten those up as well. Here you'll see I'm using some of my excess clay to make sort of a tube shape, and I'm going to lay that inside the heart to give it more of a finished look, but this is totally optional. You can also use a few drops of water to smooth out any dents or fingerprints or lines in your clay. Keep in mind though that this project is going to have imperfections, it's going to look handmade, and that's what gives it character. Once you're happy with the way your coaster looks, set it on a flat surface and let it dry for at least 24 hours. Paint a few layers of ModPodge onto your dry coaster for protection, and there you have it.